Welcome, I'm Esty Kelly. I'm going to be making these really cute farmhouse Christmas signs using these 11 by 14 picture frames from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to paint them white. I've already recycled the glass and I've attached some burlap fabric with some adhesive spray over the backing, and I tied some jute twine twice around the top portion of it. I'll be making these two Christmas farmhouse signs the same way, but I'm only going to demonstrate on this one. This galvanized metal word piece I'll be attaching by tying some twine to it and then tying it around the back. I'm using these large wooden ornaments from Dollar Tree, one in the shape of a snowflake, the other a Christmas tree, and I painted them white, just lightly, one coat. I picked up a package of these galvanized metal ornaments from Joann's and these cute little buttons, and I looped the twine through it, tied it in a knot, and I'm leaving a loop so that I can put some ribbon through it and make a bow. And I'm going to start making this bow fairly thick by folding the ribbon in on itself. Periodically, you'll just see me adding dabs of hot glue wherever I see fit to kind of hold everything in place the way that I like. Now that I have the ribbon attached to the ornaments, I'm going to go ahead and pull the string through and pull it tight in the back and tie it in a knot. And then I'm going to take those two strings and thread them through the hole in the wooden ornament. And now I'm just going to tie it in a knot in the back, loop it around to the front, and tie it off underneath. Whenever possible, I don't like to rely on just glue to hold everything together. I'm using some clear craft glue to make sure that the edges of the ribbon don't fray, but of course fabric glue or some clear nail polish would work just as well. The clear craft glue is what I had within reach to do this real quickly. So I've determined where I want this to hang and how high I want it to hang on the background, and I attached the wooden clothespin accordingly. At first I thought I wanted this word to be straight across, but then I changed my mind and I went back and made it slanted later. Now, if I plan on selling or donating this later, I'll go back and make the backing a little nicer, take out any unnecessary metal pieces that you see there, and put a better backing. And also make sure that it's more straight, and paint the back of the wood frame. However, I'm just making this for myself this year. So I just took the clothespin part of the back and just hooked it to the twine, and it's that easy. They're so lightweight, you can use a command hook or thumbtack to hang them. I hope that you enjoyed this video and give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.